Tiso viwe Thenyie ko kehu puri kehu ha krie murudi vor kelela nyoko peje ke nisidi nyoko peteke lucia mu nyoko petezeli yawe siro nko kehu keseu puswate de richedo usumi ho udonu udisi ke mo micropori vor bakatala a ke kradinu putatimu nyoko thom hale ke mezilinu nyoko kichaya. Respected Chairperson, Most Honorable Dr. Sorhie, President Ura Academy, Most Respected Professor Buno Zetsuvi, Administrative in Charge, Kohima Campus, Nagaland University, and the Dean, School of Humanities and Education, Nagaland University. Respected Retired Professor Dikulie, the first HoD of the Department of Tenyidie, Nagaland University. Respected Reverend Tsolie Chase, Pastor Koinonia Baptist Church Kohima. Respected heads of departments, colleagues, officers and staff from Nagaland University, Kohima campus, esteemed members of Ura Academy, distinguished guests from Thenyie People's Organization, the alumni, scholars, the media fraternity, representatives of Nagaland University Students' Union. Dear students, all well-wishers, ladies and gentlemen, it is with immense pleasure and honor that I, on behalf of the Department of Tenyidie, Nagaland University, and the organizing committee, warmly welcome all of you to the 25th year anniversary celebration of the department. As we celebrate 25 years of our journey, we thank God for His many blessings and for having brought us thus far. Jubilees are times of celebration, and I truly deem it perfectly apt this morning to acknowledge and celebrate the tenacious efforts by our Thenyie elders and intellectuals who went to all length 25 years ago to bring about Tenyidie as a subject into the higher education system. As I was reading the message written by the president of Ura Academy, Dr. Sorhie, for the Souvenir magazine, one thing which really caught my attention was where he described the euphoric feeling of exhilaration when they received the approval news that Tenyidie is to be introduced under the Nagaland University as a full-fledged department. Jubilantly, they had a Thanksgiving program where they literally shed tears of joy, a moment writ in time, truly. These are true visionaries whose labor we are reaping today, and therefore, with much gratitude, we credit our elders of Ura Academy that the Department of Tenyidie, Nagaland University, is a testament of how the Lord has prospered the works of their hands. And so the celebration this day, majorly, is also a recognition and a tribute to these visionaries. Today, the Department of Tenyidie is firmly established with full academic programs, translation works, research works, and other varied activities going on. This day is also being celebrated with a theme, Diu Cha, acknowledging that that language is truly a powerful roadmap to various components of a people, and it is integral for ensuring the preservation, perpetuation, the transmission of one's history, culture, and traditions, including the growth and development of its society. And thus, in line with this, I strongly believe that with the blessing of God, the blessings of our elders, and you, all our well-wishers, our department will continue to strive for excellence in all fields and to grow from strength to strength. And with these few words, I once again warmly welcome everyone to the Silver Jubilee celebration of the Department of Tenyidie, Nagaland University. Thank you.